Hey, wasn't guys like my channel? It is currently Friday night. I know it's been super long, but I'll leave a little explanation down below for why I decided to quit Ultra Moon. Honestly, it's not as sad as you think it is. Right now it's Friday and it's gonna be a weekend vlog, and I feel really nice and fresh because that walkthrough really put a lot of fusion on me. Because every time I would come home from school, finish homework, and then just take a nap, and then I would completely forget about uploading part 3, which never even happened. So it's all right. The game wasn't really requested. I know there are tons of other people out there like Munching Orange, Maryland. They've all done Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon walkthroughs before. Um, so go ahead and check them out. But yeah, I'm just gonna be sticking to vlogs, so that's what I like to do. And yeah, I'm just gonna be filming around tomorrow. It's gonna be nice. I don't want to spoil you guys. Fork knife. You gotta film this thing.
I couldn't believe Isaac's film.
Help!
Help! Alright, so
We have 8 inches of snow already. Like, this is just insane. Like, I never thought 8 inches was actually that deep. I thought it was pretty low, but look at that. This is Michigan weather right here.
This one dude in class was right. We're gonna get I think he said we were gonna get 6 inches. I mean, if anything, Super Bowl's tonight, and is the Patriots going against the Eagles. And notice how I put Patriots first. You Eagle fans, you go ahead and root for your team too. But me personally, I'm going for the Patriots. But you know what? It's gonna be a great game, win or lose. No arguments, please, in the comment section. And hopefully, when I get back from school, there won't be any arguments or fights, even just over a football team. I'll see you later.